Hey guys, welcome to Losing My Virginity to Rocket Bird's Hardboiled Chicken. I know nothing about this game. All I know is it takes a controller, so let's try it. Difficulty normal sounds good. This is awesome so far. Love the music. It's got a Soviet Russia feel to it too. Robot chicken. Albatrospolis. Albatrosopolis. This is pretty cool. Oh, he's mad. Jetpack chickens. Uh-oh. They're evil. They look like Nazis. What's he gonna do? Oh shit. Now they're gonna turn around and he's gonna shoot them. I feel like I'm gonna be really bad at this game, but it looks badass, so I don't care. Tickly cleavage. Obey. There's a missile that says obey. Gladly. Oh my god. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, I move the camera around. Woo, here we go. Oh my god. What? No! No. Awesome. Holy shit. Okay. How do I stop doing that? Alright, here we go. How do I bust crates? Alright. Let's go. Chapter 1, Cylon the Jungle. This is fucking... Dude, the graphics of this are fucking cool. Pkwy, fearless leader. Alright, what do I do? A. Alright. This reminds me of like a new age, like Abe's Odyssey. Holy shit, okay. This is seriously cool. Alright, here we go. This is fucking awesome. Alright, here we go. No! Oh my god, what I've done to this chicken. How do I pick that up? Why? Why? God, I'm so retarded. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I love the graphics of this game. This is a pretty sick game, not gonna lie. Not going to lie about it. Alright, wait, no, what? I want to go back up again. I lied. I am the most badass of all of the chickens. There, I used the key card. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. What does that mean? What am I gonna do? Am I gonna die? I can't move right now. I just sent off one of the rockets. Is that a good thing? Is that what I'm trying to do? Ah! Die! Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go over here and then... Wait, can I go more this way? Let's see. Yes, okay. How the fuck? Alright. Can I not? This is weird. Okay. Looks like I don't know how to get up there. So we're gonna go this way. Okay, now we're outside. Oh, I get it now. Oh, what? Me too! Okay. Okay, I need to jump over it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Now I get the fucking health. Cool, and the ammo. And I can roll in here. Oh, okay. Can I grab it and pull it up? No? Okay. So what do I do now? Okay. Can't really do anything this way. What am I supposed to do? I better not get stuck in the goddamn game. Oh, let's go. Okay. I don't understand. Okay. Can't pull it in here. So maybe I'm supposed to just go up this way? Oh, yep. I was right. I eventually figure things out. Oh, whoa. Yeah, this definitely reminds me, oh god, of Abe's Odyssey.
No. No.
Fearless leader.
Why? Why me? What did I do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Pull yourself together, Botsky.
Oh my god.
We've got a whole penguin army.
A whole penguin army.
We clowned him to fight him. But he's just one little chicken.
Chicken. Just one little chicken.
And then I will eat him.
I will eat him. He's gonna eat me. Isn't that cannibalism? Chapter 2, the morning after.
Hey,
there's gonna be a morning
I see
after.
fake versions of myself.
Ooh.
I must be seeing double.
He's a Yankee. Awesome. Shut up! Shut up, bitch! Hi, you a chicken! You dead chicken! Dead ass chicken. Ha 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 ha! Die, motherfucker! Die! Bam, 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 bam! Alright, that was overkill. Where'd the other guy go? Bam, bam, bam! Oh! 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 Die, chicken bitches! Die! Oh! Alright. You already know. You already know. Smoke, shoot, share! Join the auxiliaries. Your country needs you. Fuck you! Fuck you, chicken bitch! What do you want? What do you want? I think when they drop ammo, they're dead. This game is fun. Oh, I got a new gun. Holy shit. Okay. Oh! I can just hold the trigger now. Hell yeah, I already know. I caught you in midair. This is awesome. Oh my god. Die! There we go. Oh, he can shoot me, which means... Okay, so there's more range on my little air gun. Cool. Access card. Alright. Whoa. Die! Haha! Oh! Oh my god, that's awesome. Haha! Alright. Die! Chicken dude. More ammo. Oh! Haha. Awesome. Oh! Come back. Die! There we go. Cool. This is awesome. Oh! Hehe. Where's my ammo from that guy? Alright. Exit. Whoa!
Hey. That's mine.
Yeah, it is.
What the?
Let's go flying.
Well, it's time for some jetpack.
Jetpaction! I'm having so much fun with this even though my eye hurts. Owie. Oh my god. Some jetpaction! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what do I do? Hell no. Oh my god, the controls in this are crazy. Killing Nazis. Haha! This game, holy fuck, dude! Another one. What do you want? Here I go. Woo! Haha! Send me some more, sucker! Dude, this is so much fun. Oh! Want that health? Woo! Oh my god, no! Oh, ammo! That's what I need the most. That sucks. Woo! Pew! Bam! Bow! Wow! Bow! Wow! Oh yeah, I'm gonna get that health. What do you want, motherfucker? Oh my god, Rumble Pack. Ah! Ammo! Yes! Ammo! No! Okay, help! Oh, fuck it. Don't need it. Oh, what's that? Ooh, he's special as fuck. Oh! Shit! Okay. New objective, avoid those. Oh shit. No! Holy crap, dude. Yes! Alright. What you got for me, Nazi chicken? You ain't shit. Oh god, 2 of them? Hey, come here. Come to the Nazi chicken. Woo! Oh! Yeah, got him. Got him. Woo! That's what I wanted to. That was my fucking plan the whole time. Ammo! Ah! Oh shit! God damn it. Bam, 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 wow. What are you gonna do now? Oh shit! Ammo! Help! Woo! Oh my god, this game is so epic. Oh my god, I'm sucking at this part. It's hard to not get hit, but still do things. Woo! Ammo! What do you want? What do you want? What do you guys want? Woo! I am. Oh no! Did I die? Oh fuck! How did I let that happen? Oh god. Okay. Well, I think it's been long enough for this. I'm sad now. I was doing so good, but that was a lot of fun. Seriously. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can check this game out on Steam, as with most of the games I play. Some of them are on Origin, and that sucks, but Steam is the best. So yeah, check this out. It's so fucking cool. It reminds me of Oddworld, the really retro ones, which is pretty fucking cool. Bye, guys!
Father, thy will be.